Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we will learn our next lesson of English Balbharti, Standard 1, Unit number 7, Lesson number 3, The Egg. So look, listen and read. Baby parrot lived in a nest with mummy and a big white egg. I am going to find some food, said mummy one day. You must look after the egg until I return. Baby parrot watched the egg for a very long time. She moved it around to make sure it was comfortable. She wrapped her wings around it to make sure it was warm. I am very good at looking after eggs, she thought. Just then, she heard the monkeys playing in the trees. Baby parrot tried to call like a monkey too. She peered over the edge of the nest and laughed at their games. Suddenly, baby parrot remembered the egg. She looked around and gulped. It was broken. Mummy would be angry. But when Mummy returned, she wasn't angry at all. Don't worry, Mummy said, as a little parrot popped out of the broken eggshell. The egg has hatched while I was away. Now you have got a new baby sister to play with. So dear students, in this video we have learned our new lesson named by the egg. So watch the video carefully.